السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله كفى والسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى، أما بعد، فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. واتل عليهم نبأ ابن آدم بالحق إذ قربا قربانا فتقبل من أحدهما ولم يتقبل من الآخر. Dear brothers and sisters in Islam, today I am going to tell you a topic which is one the commands and issues of sacrifice, because nowadays it is the time of sacrifice, and you know well that there are two festivals and two Eids in Islam. One of them Eid al-Fitr and second is Eid al-Adha. We know Eid al-Fitr has passed and Eid al-Adha will come after some days, and that is nearly. So today inshallah I am telling you something about the Eid al-Adha and the festival of sacrifice. Our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, when left Makkah to Medina while migrating, so he saw them, the people of Medina, they are celebrating 2 days in a year. Asked him, why are you celebrating 2 days? Replied him, our fathers and grandfathers and ancestors were celebrating in these 2 days, so we are also celebrating 2 days on the way of them. Our Prophet told them after a while, oh hello, Allah has given you 2 days better than indeed. So they got very happy and they were celebrating since that time. So Eid al-Fitr festival is celebrated the completion of the holy month of Ramadan, and Eid al-Adha is celebrated the 10th days of Dhul Hijjah. It is the final month of Islamic calendar. So now I am going to tell you how to start sacrifice and from where sacrifice starts. Inshallah I am explaining you about it. At first there were Adam alayhi salatu wassalam's two sons. Their name is Habil and Qabil. Allah mentioned in the Holy Quran, chapter number 5, verse number 27, وَاتْلُ عَلَيْهِمْ نَبَأَ ابْنَيْ آدَمَ بِالْحَقِّ إِذْ قَرَّبَا قُرْبَانًا فَتُقُبِّلَ مِنْ أَحَدِهِمَا وَلَمْ يُتَقَبَّلْ مِنَ الْآخَرِ. O Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, recite to them in true the story of Adam's two sons in true, when they offered sacrifice to Allah, there was accepted from one and was not accepted from other. It is the real story is, here is the real story of Adam's two sons, Habil and Qabil. Qabil was a elder than Habil. Qabil was a very strong and powerful than Habil, and tall and very powerful than Habil. But Habil is very thin and tall also, but thin, and his health is also very like poor. And Qabil's work and Qabil's event was the farmer farm etc. Meaning, Qabil was a farmer and his work was only arranging and managing eatables and potables and food, etc. And Habil's work was, meaning he was a shepherd of goats and sheep and etc. So when they became adults, when they went to poverty, so Allah ordered Adam alayhi salatu wasalam to get married them. So Allah sent himself two beautiful girls from heaven, from paradise, told Adam alayhi salatu wasalam to get married Habil and Qabil. So the girl who was chosen and selected to get married Habil is more beautiful than the girl who is chosen to get married Qabil. So Qabil told Adam alayhi salam, "Oh my dear father, I want to that girl. I want to that girl because she is most beautiful and more beautiful than this girl." So Adam alayhi salam told him, "Oh hello, my dear son, it is a word of Allah. How can I refuse his order? So it is impossible for me." So Qabil told him, "So supplicate of Allah and allow of Allah to get marriage me this girl." So Adam alayhi salatu wasalam raised his hands and supplicated of Allah. So Allah told him, "O Adam alayhi salatu wasalam, say your both sons Habil and Qabil to offer sacrifice, whose sacrifice will be accepting, so you can get married with that girl." So Adam alayhi salam told his both sons to observe sacrifice. So Habil, according to his work, he cutted some weights with trees and put it on the mountain to observe sacrifice, and Habil also caught a sheep and put it on the mountain for sacrifice. That time there was a sign of accepting sacrifice. The fire comes from heaven, from sky, and ate. So as well as according to this sign, the fire came and ate the sheep. I mean, the Habil's sacrifice was accepted by Allah. So Qabil can't get married most beautiful girls. So Qabil got very angry and killed Habil. It is the story of Habil and Qabil. So, oh my dear brothers and sisters and listeners and audience, it is the story of Habil and Qabil, etc. And as well as every day, inshallah, I will deliver a speech for sometimes. So I hope you understand, and I hope you listen every day and understand. Inshallah, Allah may give you understanding, and Allah may give you can understand well. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.